Hello everyone. In our last video, we constructed the vintage car and now we want to program this vintage car. As you know, vintage car has only one motor. Hence, we need to operate that motor to move the vintage car. When we have a motor, we call motor a name. We can call either as left motor, right motor, or motor 3 or motor 4. So let me call vintage car motor as left motor. And in that case, I will use the blocks which are related to the left motor only. We know we start our program with the event block, or as we call it, the hat block. Then we need to make the motor ready to listen to our command. Since we are calling it left motor, we will use setup left motor block to ensure that the left motor is now ready to listen to our commands. Once we do that, we need to rotate the left motor either clockwise or anti-clockwise to move the motor. I will assume that the clockwise movement is going to take the vintage car forward. The next command, which is stop left motor command, will come after 2 seconds, which means we need a wait of 2 seconds. And after this, the next command, stop left motor comes. And that completes the program to move the vintage car forward for 2 seconds and stop.